Step into the Kia 2019 Rio S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6L inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.